there's some breaking news now coming in. It's a big Supreme Court ruling. The Supreme Court has observed that calling a man Miyan-Tiyan and Pakistani would be in poor taste, but would not amount to an offence of hurting his religious sentiment. This is what we're learning. The court discharged a person of the charge under Section 298 of the IPC with deliberate intent to hurt the religious feelings. That was a charge against him. The court has said the man was accused of hurting the religious feelings of the informant by calling him Miyan-Tiyan and Pakistani. Undoubtedly, the statements were made in poor taste. However, it does not amount to hurting the religious sentiments of the informant. Well, this is a big ruling coming in from the top court. My colleague Nupur also now joins us on the broadcast here. Nupur, take us through more details of the matter.
Well, the Supreme Court bench of Justice V.V. Nagarathna and Satish Chandra Sharma were actually considering an appeal filed by against a Jharkhand High Court judgment which had refused to discharge charges of hurting religious sentiment against this particular person. He had moved the Supreme Court seeking relief. The FIR in the case was lodged by a Urdu translator and a clerk. When he has alleged that when he went to the accused person to furnish some RTI-related information, the accused made such remarks against him and referring to his religion, called him Pakistani and used terms like Miyan-Tiyan while referring to him and in fact assaulted him. However, the Supreme Court, while hearing the cases and all the charges, found that the case of assault was not made out, but also disposed this particular charge of hurting the religious sentiment of this person, Muslim clerk, by saying that, of course, there's no doubt that the comments are in poor taste, but it does not amount to hurting religious sentiments. And observing all these things, the Supreme Court has, dismissed all the charges against the accused for hurting religious sentiments of this particular person.
Yes, that the comments that have been made are distasteful, but no action could be taken against the man who's been accused of uttering such remarks. All right, thank you so much, Nupur, for getting us those details.